Round 1, start with foundation chain. Chain 7. Slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. Add wire along the chain. Fasten off this short chain. Now, let's create the main part. Start in the third chain of our original chain 7. Chain 2. Double crochet in this stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. Work, slip stitch. Chain 1. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. In the last stitch, work, double crochet. Chain 2. Slip stitch.